OBC reservation to be given in Uttar Pradesh Panchayat elections. Come read with me. OBC quota in Uttar Pradesh Panchayat polls. Now, this news talks about OBC reservation in Uttar Pradesh Panchayat elections. In simple words, when election happen in villages called Panchayat elections, some seats are reserved for groups like SCs, scheduled caste, STs, scheduled tribes, and OBCs, other backward classes. Now, this is done so communities that were historically disadvantaged also get political representation. Now, the Uttar Pradesh government has approved the formation of a dedicated backward classes commission. Now, why is that? Because before giving reservation to OBCs in local elections, courts have said states must follow proper rules. Earlier, the Allahabad High Court stopped Uttar Pradesh from directly giving reservation to the OBCs in local body elections. The court said states cannot randomly announce reservation. First, they must follow the triple test laid down by the Supreme Court. The triple test means create a dedicated commission, study backwardness of OBCs. Second, collect data, collect empirical inquiry into backwardness, data scientifically check how backward different groups are. Third, dedicate reservation proportion. Property reservation must be based on data, not politics. Only after this can OBC reservation be implemented. So Uttar Pradesh is now forming the commission to legally bring OBC reservation in upcoming Panchayat elections, called the Dedicated Backward Classes Commission. Now, why is this politically important? Because this is a huge issue. UP has always had a very large OBC population, and this OBC population is very important. Panchayat elections are the grassroots level of democracy. Political parties are preparing for bigger elections like the UP Assembly elections 2027. The article notes that Panchayat elections in UP covers over 8 lakh posts, thousands of villages, blocks and district seats. So whoever performs well here gains local influence and political momentum. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this particular news. The first dimension is the constitutional dimension. Reservation in panchayats come under Article 243D, ensures representation of weaker sections in local self-governance. Second is the judicial dimension. Supreme Court's triple test protects against excessive or arbitrary reservation. Third is the social justice dimension. Fourth is the political dimension. Fifth is the governance dimension. Now, this becomes highly important for GS paper 2 polity and governance perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.